Hello friends, welcome to Learn One. In previous lecture we have learned about constant in Ruby, and today we will going to learn about data types in Ruby.
As we know, each and every language has its own data types. Here in Ruby, we are having several types of data types. For example, we can say Boolean, number, string, symbols, hashes, array, etc. So now we will look each of these data types in some more details. So let's start with Boolean. Boolean. Boolean is a very common data type for all the languages. If you are using Java, PHP, .NET or any language, Boolean is almost there as a data type. Here the Boolean data type will have two values. One is true and second one is false. So it can take either true or false. We cannot assign both the values at the same time to a single Boolean variable. Here in example we can see I have created two variables. First one is delivered and second one is received. The first variable is delivered is having value true, and the second variable, that is received, is having value false.
Now we will see practical examples of Boolean.
Let's create one variable, that is my variable, and assign one value, that is true. So here my variable will be created as a Boolean. If we wanted to check its class, its base class, we can check dot class. It will return true class. If any Boolean variable is having value true, then its base class is true class. Now let's create another variable, that is your variable, and we will assign a value false to it. Now this variable belongs to one class, that is false class. So let's check it. Your variable dot class. It will return us its base class, that is false class.
In next lecture we will learn about number data type in Ruby.